Okay, what's on the menu today? I don't know. Managing multiple items. We're flying through. Standard procedure, straight to the point. We waste no time. What is on the menu? Making decisions, selection statements, basically. If else, same thing. Boolean expressions. Okay, comparisons. Yeah, relational operators. Yes, yes. If statements. Arrays. I probably won't cover all of this. Just a bit here, but something yana. Arrays, loops. Okay, iteration. That's all. Okay. Let the flying begin. I'm your pilot. Today, Tablo Machaga, in operation of the cockpit. We waste no time. Let's find something that is worth running that I can explain. Actually, let me do this first. Yeah. Okay. If else statement. If something is correct, run it, or else run the other part of the code. That's it. If true, do this. If else, do other thing. Couldn't be simpler. So there'll be a condition in here that will be either true or false, or will lead to a result of true or false, and it will do like an important something like turn water into wine, miracles in here, 5,000 fish and loaves or whatsoever. You see the point? Or also it will do something different. Just add a scenario in the something else, but but code wise, not water into wine. No. Two values. True. Oh yeah, I've said that before. If something is true, run this. If else means if false, or if otherwise, do the other thing. Now you can use all sorts of comparisons: greater than, less than or equal to, or what is this? Comparison operator, relational operator, or equal to. Yes, this one. This one is equal to. This is same as this, but it turns it upside down. If it's true, it will be false. If it's false, it will be true. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Easy. Should I do this? Let's see if we can highlight. No. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll do this for now. Let us see. Why is there a thing here? Let me see. Yes. Wait. I see the problem. The brackets are the problem. Problem solved. Easy. I should probably explain before I run. But that's loading. Two birds with one stone. Where is the... Wait. No. We need an output. No. And then this is where we note we note that the pilot in command of operation hasn't done Java in a while, but we're fixing that very very fast. System out, print line. Yeah, I just need something like this, a little something like this. And then cannot resolve symbol print line. Let me do this. Alright, what would be, wait, yeah, brackets are the issue once again, and the evil brackets have been defeated, and the village is safe once again. My bad, sorry, love you. Large venue. Let's try this again. Okay, good. The code works. Now we can explain. We make an integer for attendees. There's 4 attendees, and then we have a boolean which is unassigned, just declared, which is enough for now, and a boolean called large venue. And if the attendees are more than or equal to 5, which they are not, set it to true. But then as you can see here, we have false. Why? Because of this one, because it says else do the other thing. You remember there was a main thing and then the other thing. If the main thing did not work, if do the else, do the otherwise. This is the otherwise, because this one gave us the result of false, so this code block was not used, hence this one was used. What's in this code block? Turn large venue or assign it to false, and then me being me, the pilot decides to system out print line, whatever result is there, and then that's it. And then that's it. Let's see, is there anything interesting? Maybe I think I've done increment. Oh yeah, that was okay. We are here actually. Maybe a quick little array and a quick little loop, and then ignore everything else because it's all related. Array examples. I'm listening to music as I work. If I make any inhumane sounds, but then bear with me. Ages. Oh. Okay. Hey. Okay. Wait. There's a massive mistake here. Aha, Ease. Oh, one. Okay, we are back. The things make comments. What is an array? Array is a list, basically. Basically, there's lists, there's array lists, there's arrays. But if you were to be basic for now, just know that an array is a list that stores stuff, and it has like a maximum length. Let me do this. Names. Okay, so in this is how you write arrays, by the way. You give it a name, and then you do this box thing. You see these box brackets, you can either put them here or here. Either one is fine, it's okay. Same here, you give it a data type, and then you give it a box thing, or you can also do that over here, and then remove it from here. So why is there winning? Why is and that's a bit of a winning. Let us check our chances. I see no red lines. Is alright. We will survive. We will land. We are in the sky. We are safe. The plane is complaining, but we are definitely fine. So in this list, we have Mary, Bob, and Carlos. 25, 27, 48, and this list. Now you could just give it like 3. Wait, let me see if this one works. There's a way which you can give the thing the max. Okay, only when you declare it, not initialize it, because when you initialize it, you're already given it the max amount automatically. When you declare it in Java, the programming languages might be different, but in Java, do that, give it a max length, or else you'll have a problem. Back to the coding, by the way. And then we're printing these things straight to the point. Any questions? The class is quiet. No. And then these are the addresses. How do we print a thing again? I want a whole. I want the whole thing as it is. Oh, you remember the thing. We are learning and we are teaching, we are presenting. Okay. Java print array. Let's really, it's Java for you, but it tends to be very stable once it's stabilized. This thing, lovely language, very verbose, very intricate, very detailed, but the detail is necessary. Same way JavaScript has TypeScript, and PHP is very lenient. We don't tend to have such issues in Java because we are writing straight to the point, and it is very strict Not as strict as Rust, sure, but strict. Cannot find symbol. Let's try the other one. If it doesn't work, I won't lie. I'm going to ChatGPT and saving myself some time. So long as it works and it looks good. Cannot find. There's names, there's ages. And Chief, what is happening in here? That's the thing I did before. Then why is it misbehaving? Ages, names. Line 28. Where is the genuine difference? Is there an oh let's do this. But I think IntelliJ would do that automatically. I think. Have I placed too much trust on our beloved IDE? I don't know. Let's find out. I have. I have. And we have libraries as well in Java. Many libraries. Know your libraries. Know how to use them. Don't be like me. Don't be like your pilot. Okay, I set out two loops and arrays. Let's make a quick loop. Is there anything to explain? Within the arrays library, there's a way to turn it into a string because it is a collection, and then you take the name of the collection, you put it in here, the so-called array, you put it in here, and then it will turn it to a string via the arrays util of Java library, and then you get your result. Mary, Bob, and Carlos are 25, 27, 48. Carlos is old to us. We a whole hot man, but it's fine. Away, Carlos. Okay, loop. Let's find like a quick loop, and we sprint through the thing. Do I like this one? Okay, using breaks and loops. I'll come back. I want a simple loop. I want a simple loop that will be very easy to explain to my beloved people. And do I like this one? It's short, but the problem is here, and it's not the beloved one that people use. I'm not liking this one. Let's go to, there's a guy called W3 Schools. He's a very good guy. He's a plug. This video is going to be long. Java. Yeah, let's go for a little for loop. You don't get more basic than this. You do not. You never. impossible. Okay, we are running it, we are not wasting time. So in the essence of things, we must finish this video. For it's called a for loop. There's a while, there's other types, but today we're dealing with for, because I didn't see any other thing outside of for loop, and I don't want to explain what this thing, to keep it basic. So for int, you're initializing an integer, you're giving it 0. So for every value that is less than 5, increment. So we're initializing the loop at 0. I'm running through the thing, I'm sprinting, and initialize an integer at 0, and then while your variable is less than 5, increment your variable, so it will be go from 0 to 1. If it's still less than 5, increment it from 1 to 2. If it's still less than 5, 3. It's still less than 5, you go to 4. If it's still less than 5, you go to 5. 5 is not less than 5, then we are done. So with every single iteration, we'll run a code block. This little thing, whatever is in here is running repeatedly, so long as the program doesn't crash or doesn't break. So there's a certain break statement that tells the loop stop running, we're done, but you don't have that in here. It looks a little but then it's in the book, it looks a little something like this, but actually let's run it once. So let's assume this name break doesn't exist. It will run at 0, it will run at 1, it will run at 2, it will run at 3, it will run at 4, it will run no longer. So it will also output 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we were to run this again, it will only run at 0, and then it will break. It will tell the loop to stop. But that's it, my people. 22 minutes. I like my voice a bit too much. It's been good. Should have kept it shorter, but it was fun, no lie. Yeah, for all those who have questions, there's a thing called ChatGPT, there's a thing called W3 Schools, there's another one with a green and white logo, very good at Java. I forget, you'll probably find it if you look for it, but I forget the name. It's good. You find anything that is green and white logo, stay by its side, so it will be very good to you.